What is happening, guys? Mike here. Welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to run through real quick the Black Friday specials over at my Dauntless shop. We've got a couple cool things going on this year. I'm very excited to share them. First off, as usual, we will have the Bay Rum scent options. That's just been the tradition since we opened the shop, since we started a couple years back. And of course, you guys have always enjoyed that. I've always heard really positive things coming from you guys on the Bay Rum scent options, so we will have those available right there on the shop as usual. But I didn't want to go with just the usual thing that we've done for the past 2 years. I wanted to kind of switch it up a little bit. So we will be offering a couple other special scent options for you guys, including the Fearless Bold. This is the scent that we used for the Ace of Swords Tarot project with the Lockharts. I really love this scent, and so far it's gotten a lot of positive feedback on it, so I decided I would make that a Black Friday, Cyber Monday option for you guys on the shop. The next scent option being made available for the sale weekend is one that I've been asked by you guys to bring back several times since we did a first run of it with Flagship. We did a little scent swap, if that gives you any hint. And since we did that, I've been emailed and messaged all comments all the time asking if we're going to do another run of it. So we are doing the amazingly sweet Strawberry Mango as another scent option for the sales weekend. And I want to extend a big thank you to Flagship for being kind enough to allow me to do another, mini run of it for the sales weekend, because it is his scent, so he was kind enough to loan it to us for the weekend. So thank you very much to them. And for you guys that have been waiting on it to come back in, you're in luck. It will be available there on the shop with the other scent options. Now though, in addition to the scent offerings, of course, I'm discounting the products. We got to have a discount, right? It's a big sales weekend. And so we are discounting everything 15% off all weekend, actually going to, I think, Monday, all the way through midnight Monday. So Monday going into Tuesday, you can save 15% off with code BFCM. And that will start at noon U.S. Central Time on Thanksgiving Day, 25 November. And again, it'll run till midnight on Cyber Monday. One more thing, though. Gotta have one more thing, right? I'm very excited about this one more thing too, in particularly. The one more thing that I have for you guys is a very special styling combo set, specially designed for this weekend. This set includes 1 bottle of the styling foam and 1 jar of the wax cream. The foam, if you notice, has a different color to it than the standard foam, and that's because this set features its own scent, different from the rest of the line and different from the special offerings. Different from everything that we just talked about today. So it's got its own scent. It's a familiar scent. It's one that we all love, but it is only for this one set offered on this one weekend. That one scent is the Nevermore fragrance. Steve Lockhart, thank you so much. He was kind enough to let me do a small run of the styling sets featuring the Nevermore fragrance, and I'm super happy with how they turned out. This has got to be one of my favorite scents ever. I mean, I love the Nevermore scent. It's so addicting. It's absolutely addicting. And so I'm super excited with how they turned out. I hope you guys will love them. And in addition to that, each set will also get a limited Dauntless keychain. I say limited because we only made a certain amount of them. They're not, there's not an unlimited supply, and I don't know if we're actually going to make more or not. We don't have any plans to make more. I just got some specifically for this reason. So I'm going to include one keychain for you guys with each of the styling sets. The price for the set will be $33, but if you use that code that I just mentioned, you will save 15% on that, making the price $28.05, which is still a discount if you think about how much each one is individually put together. You save money, then you save the 15% on top of that. So also, if you are interested in picking up one of these sets, the foam and the wax sets with the keychain, I jump on it right away when those actually go live, which will be at 7 p.m. Central Time on Thanksgiving Day. I wanted to do that drop a little bit later in the day just because we don't have as much of these as we do everything else, and that's really because of supply restrictions. We really were only able to get enough stuff to make the styling sets anyway, and also keep up with other inventory. We were really only able to make about 25 of these. I'm hoping if they do go too fast, I will be able to add a few as the weekend goes, but I won't be able to really get a large amount of them made, just, packaging restrictions and things like that. It's crazy right now as far as ingredients and jars and bottles and things like that. So I would jump on it right away if you do want to get one. I would absolutely leap on it because I have a feeling they're probably going to go. That, though, is pretty much much it for this one here. Just a quick little video with the sales for this year. I do appreciate you guys giving me a minute to tell you about them, and I do want to close this video with a proper message of thanks to all of you for this past year. I cannot begin to thank you guys enough for watching my videos, subscribing, those that have, even those that didn't. Even those that didn't, you're still watching, and I appreciate it so much. And if you are buying one of my products this year, or you have ever, I can't tell you how thankful I am. And I promise I do not take any of it for granted at all. I don't take any of it for granted. Without you guys, I wouldn't be able to get the chance to make things and explore my passions and do this full time. It's also through all of your amazing support that I'm also able to work here in my home studio, in my house, and take care of my kids and be with them daily and see them growing. And they're growing very fast. My gosh, my little girl just started walking the other day. I mean, unbelievable. It's all going so fast, but I give all the credit to all of you for that, and I will not forget that ever. I will not forget all of you who supported me now and supported me in the beginning. So once again, thank you. Thank you very much. I hope you all have the most incredible holiday next week for those celebrating. And even if you're not, I hope you have a fantastic week anyway. I will see you again here real soon. I got a couple of videos I've already made and stuff ready to go out on the channel, so keep an eye out for those. Take it easy. I'll see you next time.